Look northwest. Nail that cocksucker in the flank. Hold. Back. Everyone back now. Your infantry's rushing us. Everyone back. Focus infantry. Fuck the tanks up. Get ready, get loaded. We're gonna push up and hit him. We're gonna push up and hit this cocksucker.
Infantry
Push up.
Jeep
Hit
with
this
the Cutler.
cocksucker. Go.
They're
Push
on
west.
Westgate side. They're gonna go
Everyone
over.
stop. Everyone hit this AT bunker. 3, 2, 1. Hit the AT bunker.
Yeah, we're here with the...
Run load.
For this guy.
Look, tanks above us. Hit these cocks. Our gunner, southwest. Hit the tank with the box. Hit destroy the box up here. Destroy the boxes. Guys, destroy the AT shit. Back. Everyone back now. Alright, we're gonna hit the MG box next. Quick reps here, everyone. And back. Comer, you need to repair. Gentle, your tank needs to hold and repair here, quickly.
Hold here, I'm gonna hit back behind this thing here.
46. Although we have our own tanks there as well, they can handle that, I think.
Payne, you can drive.
I just fired him back right there.
Okay, let's go then. Thanks. Shit, well, alright, let's go. Take us west. We're gonna go northwest, sorry, complex, but, you know, take us north here, Payne. Northwest. Northwest, keep going northwest. Okay guys, let any infantry up here, don't shoot them, we're aiming for the fat. There's gonna be a fat. Okay, keep going, we're on the flank of fat. Keep going, boost, go. Look, you see the fat? Decrew, perfect decrew shot. Fuck, back, missed it. Whiffed, everyone back now.
They decrewed it themselves,
Yeah. Tanks on our left. Look west, take us west. West. We'll reposition and nail these cocksuckers. Push in on them. This UVG guy has to reposition. Back us. Not worth. Back now. Southeast, back up. Everyone back up southeast.
I think they decreased our LTD, right?
Yeah. They should have. Yeah, it's dead. Yeah,
They always have a line going.
Take us west. Let's blow up these infantry. West.
Hold up them under the...
Come on, push up. Shoot the infantry up here.
Get out of the way.
Big coming from behind, Jeep.
Yeah, back up. Behind, you said?
Yes. Grove.
Oh yeah, shoot that cocksucker.
He's lagging all over the place.
West, push up
Needs to
west.
not let them fight,
He's
build them
jumping
far.
all over us.
Yeah, we're not going to. We're pushing west here, Keep going. It's the fob or the bob that's going up here. Huh? Hold. Hit the diggers and shit up there. Push up, back. Their armor's diving us. Look up ahead. Hit these cocksuckers when they pull up on the hill like that. Push up again.
Oh, we got
my
one
God.
side.
From the side.
Back up. Our infantry isn't paying attention. Holy shit. Make sure you guys' tanks aren't left careful. Oh, that... We're fine. Ready? Push up here again. Push up. Everyone, we're pushing up again. Keep going. Same thing, we're hitting the bob. 3 shells on the bob and back. Go. 3 shells and fire and back. Back up. Load. Let me know when you're loaded. Yeah, we're fine.
Tanks
Mark the
chasing
tree,
us.
mind the tree. Yeah, shit. Get out of there. Get ready. And push up. Hit the bob again. Go, fire and back. Back. No, yeah, we're fine. They're not gonna do anything.
You win that.
Yeah, we win that. Yeah, we stop shooting it. It's fine. Let's start slashing the infantry behind it. Huge wave of infantry incoming. Be ready to back up here, guys. If they start rushing us, kill these cocksuckers all around it.
Sticky grenade to northwest.
ATR, nail that cocksucker. Okay, yeah, nail that asshole. Oh,
There we
back
go,
us up.
2 for 1.
Yeah, well,
Hill.
take us west. Where? Ironhide, where?
On the hill. West.
Okay, eyes on him. Push this cocksucker. Push this cocksucker. Get this asshole on the tracks. Never mind. Don't chase. Kill these infantrymen up here who are pushing us.
Okay, rushing right.
Okay, push us up here. Start putting some shells down on these Gibsons. Okay, driver hold. Enemy armor up front. Back us. Fucking asshole. Careful. Enemy infantry front. Slash these cocksuckers.
Infantry.
Kill that cocksucker running away with a coward.
They're flanking you from your east.
Okay, hold. Destroy this fat. You see it? Decrew shot. Beautiful shot. Hit that shit again. Another one. Push up. Push.
Push.
Push up and hit it in. Hit it. Fire when ready.
Fuck.
Whip.
Town hall waiting for you.
That's right. Push up again.
AT,
push up.
AT
Back,
build
back,
box,
back,
AT
back,
build
back,
boxes.
back,
No,
back.
back.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Confirming one.
Hit that on the way out. Oh no. So, just
Alright.
keep backing, just keep backing. So. Yeah, let Celtic get in. Fuck, they need to retake Brokeback Mountain. Hold here, hold here. Just.
My God, Coda, get the no!
ATR on the hill, we need to get
She
back.
doesn't.
ATR on the hill. I got
No, no.
blocked. God damn it.
Yeah, broke back down. Very easy.
Nice, nice.
Alright, let's get out of here. No, let's not push this road if they take us east first.
Of course.
Commander, stay turned in. Careful. Okay, we're gonna hit that one, the one on the right together. Gentle, get ready. Push up a little bit. Push up a little bit. Hold.
There we go, I got shot.
Ready, on fire. 3, 2, 1. Fire. Back. Reverse. All tanks reverse. We're fine.
Yeah,
we're fine.
flash. Shoot them if you can,
We're trying.
We're fine. It's okay. PHQ9 tool is? Yeah, exactly.
What the
Sounds
fuck
like a
is that tool?
surgery tool. What are you gonna do? Scoop out our brains?
Now, the PHQ9 tool is a depression and mental health screening tool you have to give to all patients before you, if you suspect a patient is depressed.
I see.
I'm just undiagnosed.
Wait, so is that just like every single time you think your
So,
patient is depressed?
if you
do
think...
that?
So it depends, right? So there's, if a patient is showing like self-harm, we're in combat, man, and I don't want to explain this. Tank up here, get ready. Push.
Let's go.
Push north. Go. North. Aim for his tracks. Tracks in there. Hit this cocksucker. Aim for his tracks. Push up. Put this. Hit this cocksucker. Fire one ready.
Go where my turret's facing, Luna. Go where my turret's facing.
Back here. He's gonna get out. Just get out.
There's
Other
not
ones.
good terrain.
This guy, yeah.
Just here.
He's trying to fight us here. Hit this cocksucker in the track. Hit this guy front. Push up. Fight this cocksucker. Push up. Take us northwest here. Northwest. Get around them. Go. Go. Keep
There's
going
the Bob
northwest,
right there.
northwest. Stop. Destroy it. Yeah. Hit the tank here. Hit the tank loading.
Stay here.
Hold. Hit the tank loading. Destroy that shit. Firewood ready. Back.
It's dead.
Okay, back up. White dash, she's rushing us. Keep backing. Are you okay, Jen?
Keep supporting them, Luna.
Oh shit. Crimp, the gentle out. You guys need to get your driver out and repair. You guys are gonna have to repair if you're tracked. You have to repair if you're tracked.
Hold on, Luna. Hold on, Luna.
Stuck in a trench. We're not
Forward.
Push west. Hard west.
Top of the hill,
Look
boys.
west. Yeah, up the hill. Let's go. Hit this cocksucker. Back. As we poke. Okay, back. Hold here. Push up.
Yeah, push.
And hit the hatchet.
He's tracked.
Hold. He's dead. Back up. Nail this cocksucker again. Fire when ready.
He's dead.
Back. Everyone back. Reverse spin.
I'll try.
Running at the relics, so like we're gonna get a lot more ground. So
Let's keep pushing here. We need to destroy these guns up here.
we own the hill. So let's.
What are these guys? Clapback to go northwest and help save these cocksuckers before they fucking die here. Please shoot that fucking thing. Oh my god, what are they doing?
Alright, let's get across this bridge.
Alright.
Get across
Yeah,
this bridge.
We can
Push
shoot
us
the
up here.
150 next to the Bob. Or the 120.
Just destroy the 120s, guys.
I think there's a fat on the road west. I don't see anything.
Hold.
Can the raid suppress that?
Wait. They're gonna suppress it. Okay. Get ready to hit it now. Yeah, dead. Nice. Let's push up here. Just
It's
PvE
not
all
doing
this
a
shit.
bit. Tell him to suppress the
Destroy
AT.
Okay, hold. Fire. Hit it. Fire. Go south.
Yeah,
down
tank
south. On the road. Hard south, baby. Hard south. Southwest. Nail these cocksuckers. Go. Get the one behind. That one's fucked. Get the one behind here. Okay, get behind them. Outwork his traverse, baby. Nail this cocksucker in the rear. Go, back us up. Another one just joined the fight. Back up. Kill this one front, hit him in the track, front.
Too close,
Fire
Luna.
ready.
Too close, Luna.
Back us up. Destroy this one, don't let him DPS, destroy him. He's gonna DPS, hit him, kill him. Okay. Now back us up, and alright, back up here. Stop. Reverse a bit.
Take
Everyone
this
hold here. Fire on fire. Ready, get ready. 3, 2, 1, fire, hit it. Very good. We're gonna push up to the southwest here. Push us right here. Hold.
I wish
Hold,
it
hit
was-
it. It's dead. It's fine. Push up. Slow push. Hold. Get the relic, let's go.
You can
fellas.
repair
Push
while
us,
I'm
push.
shooting the relic.
Force him to repair. Then our infantry will push in. Doesn't matter.
He's tracked.
He's tracked.
Push up.
Hit
So we can hit him.
the AT, hit the AT, so we get an angle, hit the AT. Destroy the AT, now, okay, back up. Jet, you get in front of Gentle, He's gonna
They hopped out.
Get in front of him, hit that cocksucker, fire one ready. Protect
He's
Gentle,
dead,
very good kill, very good guys. Go.
Let's
Get
go.
loaded.
Hurry, it's not looking at us.
Go.
It's not looking at us. Go.
Back now.
Next gate.
Kill it.
Shoot the AT, don't be a bitch. There you go.
Alright, let's clean this up.
Back. Everyone back.
Get ready to push again.
They're pushing again.
Focus infantry first and then the landing ship.
Shoot the barbed wire. Shoot the barbed wire so they have no more cover. There we go.
Landing ship down.
There, one dead.
Push up. Keep your distance.
One.
Keep suppression.
They're all spawning at the other one.
Show right here, Luda. This is perfect. Don't move.
They are on the bones house. Just be careful you don't get too close.
Keep it up, boys. Keep it up. Good work. We're doing great. This is gonna be over.
ATR on the right.
Down. Remember, prioritize infantry.
ATR on the right behind the tank traps.
Remember, keep prioritizing infantry and shoot those landing ships as quick as you can.
2 meters, Luda. 2 meters. Lamar. Perfect. White flash coming in.
It's down.
There, it's dead.
Right.
Alright, let's clear out
Where's
these
the,
guys.
just kill remaining,
And they still have the bone size there. Careful. What the fuck?
They're still floating on the bone side.
That's really
There,
dumb.
it's dead. We just kind of sat there and.
Well, that's part of vision, right? It's a balanced mechanic, guys.
Why don't stop floating?
Guys, bone saws are supposed to float like that. It's not.
Did we lose a tank to those floating bones?
Yeah.
It's an okay mechanic. It's made, it's intentional by the devs.